Oh, good morning to you, good morning. Bienvenue, welcome. Friday the 13th, and there's a bright sunshine. Well, the sun's always bright, I guess. But the peace and tranquility of the town is a little, shall we say, disturbed today. We've been told about this and warned about it for some time, so, you know, it's no surprise. This road, c'est la rue Saint-Luzarche. I think somewhere we ought to be able to find the name of that. Yes, over there, look. If we cross the road without getting runded over, that would always be bad. If we cross the road, we can see the name here, Saint-Luzarche, on the chateau. And if we look along the road, we can see the internationally recognised sign of no entry, because our road is being resurfaced. This road actually takes a disproportionately large amount of traffic. We get a lot of lorries up and down here, and the surface has suffered quite a lot. So yeah, today the peace and tranquility of the town is going to be somewhat disturbed by the works going on. Wonder how far we can get without getting ground into the road surface. There's a machine milling the old road surface, and it's throwing the old road up into the back of that lorry. I think probably best that I clear off out of their way. They might have restrictions on chaps with cameras and no crash helmets. Exciting stuff, eh?